Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment when you finish watching this video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment area. You feel me? Alright, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to change the T-bone mount for my 2008 Toyota Avalon. Last month I had went and got my water pump, a new water pump installed at the shop, and this is what I hate. That's why it's good to check your vehicle and learn your vehicle. So I'm going to show you guys what happened. So it was just last year I changed my the T-bone mount. Let me show you how it looks. This right here, this is the new one. So when they change the water pump, I noticed this whole crack right there in it, even to the bottom. No, you guys probably can't even see if it focus all the way down here. It's a whole crack, and I was like, yo, why they didn't tell me? If I didn't check, I wouldn't even know. You feel me? If I didn't check, I wouldn't know. So I'm gonna install this new one. It's a 14 at the top, 14 at the side. This is the 14 millimeter I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna use this right here because it's more 14 millimeter, because if I don't, that one is gonna be sticking out like this, and it's gonna be hitting either the lines down there, or it's gonna come hitting right here. That's because of the bolt is really long, but the bolt go all the way in here to hold the engine. So I said, let's get down to business. So it would be awesome if I had the other one that I could go back and forth with it, but I got to do it the hard way. But yeah, that's messed up. How, you know, they could easily warn me or let me know, hey, change that mount, we see that it's cracked, you know, it's not gonna hold up for too long, change it. Yeah, and I swear everybody is just looking money, waiting for one thing to get messed up so you can always take it back to the shop. I say that's why it's better to basically check your vehicle and learn your vehicle. Look at the job that they done, look over the work. You know, they did a good job by installing a new water pump. I don't have no leaks no more, of course. AC is blowing good. I brought my own coolant and everything, but they should have warned me and let me know, hey, the mount is going, it's got a crack in the middle of the rubber piece. They should just let me know. But yeah guys, show you guys how to install the new one, remove this old one and install the new one. Takes time, you know, it's not no rush at all. Alright guys, so I ended up getting this one from Sam's Club. I had this in the drawer. This is a 916, is the same equivalent of a same equivalent as the 14. So it's more easier. Way easier, guys. tell you guys, it's really long, so Got it out, as you can see. Here for the one at the top. Had already broke it loose, so and this one should be shorter. This one is shorter. Put this one up there. Look at that. This is the new one. Gotta make sure you line it up. Alright guys, this is the tricky part. First, get it in this spot first. And you can do your best to hand tighten it first. And then at the top, sometime you're gonna have to like pull to get it lined up. You gotta be careful you don't strip it either. So. I totally forgot to put this piece back on, but it's cracked anyways. It's supposed to basically protect the side from the heat. So the heat is what eat up the rubber, but hey, I'm gonna just replace it some other day. it's cracked anyway, so it's not gonna really, yeah, it's cracked. You know, heat, plastic, it's cracked. So it's good. Should do. And there you have it. Piece of cake. This is the old one. Crack in it. This is the new one. No crack at all. See the difference? And that's how you change your T-bone mount. Not too bad, guys, but I recommend you guys that you could pick this up at any tool store that have these things in the middle that you could easily go right or left easily, because the one that I had that I showed in the beginning, it would have made me work harder. See the difference? So yeah, guys, that's how you remove and install the T-bone mount. That's at the top for 2008 Toyota Avalon. Some Camrys have it as well, Toyota Camrys. This should work for the 2005 all the way to the 12. I don't know if the new one have it, but it is what it is. Once again, this one is busted with the cracks. I was like saying to myself, oh no, I'm not gonna have that. And it's burning up. It is burning up here in Florida, the heat. Try to do it early as possible in the morning, but the humidity out here, I have two fans running. The heat is on a different level. This is going to be a crazy summer this year, but that's all I want to share with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Peace, bye bye, take care, and hope this video helps you if you want to change that top mount. If you have any cracks, or you know that rubber piece is no good, you look at it and you see that it's worn out, worn down, change it, because you don't want to mess up the rest of your motor mount. You want everything to be, you want the engine to hold in the vehicle. You don't want to accelerate and your engine fly out of the car. You don't want that. So make sure you tighten it down properly, change that mount, and get on with your day. And the thing that I hate is the mechanics, they should have let me know. They should be like, sir, we recommend you to change that top mount because we saw cracks in it. But everybody, as I said, everybody these days is trying to get money. Everybody, nobody cares no more. There's no caring. Everything is about money. So if I didn't check it myself, if I didn't pop my hood and check, you know, I see that the water pump right there on that side is brand new. Of course, they put everything back together, but they should have warned me and be like, hey sir, that mount at the top, that rubber piece, it got a crack in it. I recommend you to change it, just give me the heads up. I'd be like, okay sir, thank you. I would have just, you know, because as I said, I had two. I just recently changed it last year. The other one I just recently changed it last year, and this one, so I had bought two of them. It's a good thing I bought two, so the second one came in handy. Easy, change it myself, piece of cake, you know. But yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you guys. You could do it yourself. If you can't get it to line up, do the one at the side first, then the one at the top. And when you put the one in the side first, the longer one, the one with the longer bolt, put that one in first, and then to get it lined up, you could just pull the motor forward to line it up, because the motor could move when you remove that. So you could just pull the motor, pull it forward, and then drop that other bolt at the top, and they'll line up. It's easy guys, no biggie, no problem. But yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate the love and support. Peace, bye bye, take care, and God bless. Peace.